Hey everyone, and welcome back. Let me show you how to set up Intercom for customer support step by step. First, install Intercom by adding the snippet to your website header. Next, go to Inbox, Settings. Add your support email and choose who gets notifications. Now, customize your chat widget. Go to Messenger Appearance. Pick colors, greeting, and when it appears, add team members under Settings, People. Invite agents and assign roles. Create your Help Center under Help Center Create. Add articles for common questions. Set up automations under Automations Workflows. Create rules like assign new conversations to support. Enable a welcome message under Messages to trigger when someone signs up. Test everything with a test account. Send a message and make sure it routes correctly. And that's it. Your Intercom support system is live. If you set up Intercom, let me know what you use it for in the comments. See you in the next one.